Early one morning, bright and new, Bunny woke up with a job to do. She tied her apron neat and straight. Today she said, I'll bake a cake. She mixed some flour, soft and white, a little sugar, oh just right. She cracked an egg and stirred away, humming a tune to start the day. She poured the milk and cocoa too, then added sprinkles pink and blue. She whisked and stirred, her ears all twitched, the batter ready without a glitch. The oven warmed, the timer ticked, Bunny smiled, it's baking quick. She peeked inside, the cake grew tall, a sweet soft treat for one and all. The smell of cake spread through the air, soon her friends were waiting there. The birds all chirped, the mice came near, the squirrels clapped paws with cheer. The cake came out so round and sweet, a perfect treat for all to eat. They sang and laughed, the day complete, with crumbs and giggles at their feet. Bunny beamed, her heart awake, nothing's better than friends and cake. They shared each slice with joyful cheer, and promised to bake again next year. The sun dipped low, the sky turned gold, stories of baking happily told. Bunny yawned, her day now done, dreaming of cakes and friends and fun.